Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the Weather Center. We stayed with the clear blue skies throughout Monday across the eastern half of South Africa, but not so for the western areas where we have two cold fronts controlling the weather. And these two cold fronts have introduced cloudy skies across the Cape provinces, giving us isolated showers in most areas. But we have fairly intense rains going on along the southwest coastline. Now, here's what you can expect for the remainder of your Monday. It's going to stay mostly cloudy with rainy weather over much of the western and eastern Cape provinces. Then as these two cold fronts move further east, the rainy weather spreads into KwaZulu-Natal. Fine weather continues across the northeast. Then on Tuesday, we are going to see these two cold fronts once again controlling the weather across South Africa, but pushing rain into KwaZulu-Natal and eastern Mpumalanga. It's going to be cooler across the southern and eastern parts of South Africa. Mostly sunny for the rest of the country, with warmer afternoon temperatures expected as we go towards the west coast. Now, tonight you can expect up to 60% chance of rain along the southwest coastline and the adjacent interior. The chance of precipitation decreases as we go further north and eastwards. Up to 40% chance of rain is forecasted around the KwaZulu-Natal province. Now, we are expecting things to be more like this for you if you're in Cape Town tonight. Rainy weather for much of the evening, but it should become dry later on this evening, and overnight temperatures should drop to around 8 degrees as we get into Tuesday morning. Now, for the rest of South Africa, it's going to be pretty frosty for much of the interior. Temperatures dropping to below freezing for most places. A minimum of 1 for Upington, a bit warmer as we go towards the northeast. Johannesburg and Mahikeng dropping to 5 degrees, 6 in Pretoria. Much warmer along the KZN coastal areas. A low temperature of 10 is forecast for East London, 11 for the minimum in Port Elizabeth. Then on Tuesday afternoon, we are going to stay with cold to cool temperatures for the western and southern parts of South Africa. Sutherland staying at the 9-degree mark. Cape Town peaking at 17 as well for Port Elizabeth, just a degree warmer in East London. Highs in the upper teens for Durban and Richards Bay, and it's going to be much warmer for the northeast, where Pretoria and Polokwane will peak at 22. Similar temperatures around Mahikeng. Looking ahead to your Wednesday, sunny skies are forecast over western South Africa, a bit of drizzle around Mbombela. Then on Thursday, we are expecting dry weather across the whole country with much warmer afternoon temperatures.